This simple orzo salad is so easy to make and will surely become one of your favorite recipes. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. This salad is bursting with flavor from the delicate orzo pasta mixed with creamy feta cheese, toasted pine nuts, chopped onions, sun-dried tomatoes, and Kalamata olives. It's light, hearty, and so delicious. I've added the full recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the recipe page where you can even find a printable recipe. So let me show you how to make it. Bring a small pot of water to a boil. Add 2 ounces of uncooked orzo pasta, which is about 1/3 of a cup. Cook for about 8 minutes or until al dente. Drain, rinse the cooked orzo in cold water and set aside. In a large bowl, add 2 ounces of spinach leaves, which is about 2 cups that have been finely chopped. Then add 1 ounce or 1/4 cup of each of the following ingredients: feta cheese crumbles, chopped red onions, toasted pine nuts, sun-dried tomatoes, and then add 8 to 9 sliced Kalamata olives, which is about 1 ounce. Toss these ingredients together. Now you will add the cooked orzo to the bowl and mix it together. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of dried basil, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. If you'd like, you can add a pinch of salt. Pour it over the salad and toss. Taste the salad and add additional salt if you feel necessary. You can eat it right away or refrigerate and enjoy the salad cold. Thank you for watching. Please click the thumbs up button and like this video. Also hit the subscribe and bell notification, and please check out the rest of my videos and share them with your friends and family. And visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.